Hi everybody, welcome to Introduction to Deep Learning. In this section, we're gonna take a look at main idea of deep learning. And then we will talk about brief information about deep neural networks. And then talk about types of deep neural networks. We will try to take a look at real-life applications of deep learning. And finally, we will try to make simple deep learning applications with R. Welcome to What's Deep Learning. In this video, we're gonna take a look at the definition of deep learning, and then we will try to answer two questions, which are: why do we need deep learning? Why does deep learning differ from other types of learning approaches? Well, let's start with the introduction to deep learning. The deep learning is one of the most widely spoken methods in artificial intelligence field in the last few years. Deep learning can be thought of as being done a result of training of deep neural network structures. There are many different types of neural network architectures. Convolutional neural networks, which are called ConNets, commonly used in image processing tasks, and also they're undoubtedly one of the most popular deep neural networks. In normal machine learning applications, feature engineering is one of the hardest parts. The model learned by an algorithm can be as good as the input data. The dataset should have detailed information at an adequate level. The performance of machine learning algorithms can be considerably weak due to meaningless nature of the information. The most important difference of deep learning is that it automatically performs feature engineering. We can think of the deep learning as algorithms that include automatic feature engineering or feature detectors that facilitate learning in multi-layer neural networks. Well, let's take a look at some deep learning demos. Well, there are some kinds of interesting demos developed by deep neural nets. You could reach many useful information about the deep learning. For example, you could reach datasets. You could reach news about the events related to deep learning by using this website, which is deeplearning.net. Take a look at this application. In this application, one of the handwriting generation demo, and in this demo, kindly type any text in here. For example, let's type deep learning and select the handwritten type. Also define your sample. Let's click right, and as you see that recurrent neural nets have generated the text which we typed in here in a handwritten mode. Also, let's check different demo, and for example, let's open this demo. Well, in this demo is about image processing tasks. For example, let's select this image, and also the deep neural net are generating the text related to image. For example, for this image, the deep learning generate that seedlings, cottonwoods, wildflower, woods, forest, and also the deep neural net have generated the caption related to image, and which is a woman and a boy enjoying a walk in woods. And also let's select different image. For example, let's select this one. And also the deep neural net have generated text related to this image, which are feminine sleepwear, bathrobes, pajamas. And also the deep neural net have generated a caption related to this image, which is a girl with a game controller with a boy standing next to her. Well, it looks not good, but and also there are another generated captions, which are a young girl and boy playing with a video game. And also let's select different image. For example, let's select this one. And well, deep neural net have generated a caption related to this image, which are the a man that's standing on the beach with a stick. Wow, it looks very, very, very good.